Is the Bible outdated? Let's be real. Some people say the Bible is outdated. It's old news. It doesn't apply anymore. But here's my question. If it's so irrelevant, why does it still set people free? Why does it still heal broken hearts? Why does it still change lives? Hebrews 4 verse 12 says, the word is alive and active, not dead, not dusty, but alive. You think it's just some ancient book, but it's the voice of the God who created you. It's the blueprint for real peace. It's the manual for real purpose. Culture changes every 5 minutes, but the word of God, it's undefeated. Still standing, still saving, still speaking. Follow if you're tired of fake answers and ready to stand on something that never fails. The world will pass away, but His word never will. Let's build our lives on truth together. God bless you.